Hey YouTube, the head idiot here. I've been seeing a lot of people do, pocket dumps of what they carry every day. So I figured, why not? Of course, first of all, Mr. Smartphone, got to have that. And, counterpart, Mr. Wallet, because, well, you got to buy stuff and pay for stuff, etc. Mr. Walther. Spare magazine, pocket knife. You always got to have a pocket knife. Tourniquet, pen, because you got to write stuff down. A little flashlight and a flash drive, because we live in a digital age and there's stuff that needs copying and that. So, as boring as it is, that's my little pocket dump. Thank you, YouTube. And of course, please like and subscribe.